Hello my dear students. Students, as you know that in our previous video we have discussed the topic of adjectives. In this video we will discuss assignment and degrees of comparison. Here first sentence is, there are dash public libraries in the city. Students, you have to fill here quantitative adjectives. We have already discussed quantitative adjectives in our previous video. So students, there are few public libraries in the city. Few is a quantitative adjective. At dash time is their flight landing. Interrogative adjective you have to fill here. At what time is their flight landing? Dash cake is yummy. Demonstrative adjective you have to fill here. This cake is yummy. The movie I saw yesterday had a dash ending. Qualitative adjective you have to fill here. You can fill good. The movie I saw yesterday had a good ending. This is dash purse. You have to fill possessive adjective. So this is my purse. My word shows a possession. We are moving further towards assignment number 2. Here choose adjective in the following sentence and tell their kind. यहाँ पे आपको adjective को choose करना है and उसकी kind भी आपको बतानी है. Neither boy gave the correct answer. Here students, this word neither is an adjective and it is quantitative adjective. She has a sweet voice. Here sweet is an adjective and this is qualitative adjective. The tiger is a fierce animal. Here word fierce is an adjective and it is qualitative adjective because it is showing some quality. He gave some money to the beggar. Here students, some. It is showing some amount, quality, that it is qualitative adjective. She bought 6 eggs and 2 packets of biscuits. Here students, 6. This is showing number and 2 packets. 2 word is also showing number. That's why it is quantitative adjective because both the words showing some quantity. That is why they are quantitative adjectives. They gave a pen to each boy. Here student, each is an adjective and it is quantitative adjective. Whose bag was stolen? Here whose word is an adjective and it is interrogative adjective. Our teacher didn't come today. Our. Here student, this word our is an adjective and it is possessive adjective. There is no milk in the bottle. No. Students, here this word no is an adjective and it is quantitative adjective. Yes. Next is, they have done their homework. Here student, they word is an adjective and it is possessive adjective. Now we are moving further towards our assignment number 3. Fill the blank with possessive adjectives. आपको possessive adjectives fill करने हैं इसके अंदर. Dash car needs repairs. My car. That is dash house. Her house. The plant is losing its leaves. Its leaves. This is dash book. Your book. He spends all his money on gambling. Please write your name clearly. Students, now we are moving further towards our assignment number 4. Fill the blank with interrogative adjectives like what, which, whose and who. Dash time is now. What? Which pen do you like? Whose pills are these? Who is the best girl of your school? Which is the longest river in India? Who is the best girl of your school? What does he do for a living? Whose house was burgled last night? Who painted this picture? And which is your pen? Students, all these sentences are interrogative sentences. That's why you have to fill here interrogative adjective. Now, students, now we are doing degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison is also a part of adjectives. Adjectives change in form to show comparison. जब भी हम कंपैरिजन को शो करते हैं तो एडजेक्टिव्स जो है वो चेंज कर लेते हैं अपनी फॉर्म को. दीज फॉर्म्स आर कॉल्ड डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन. दीज आर देयर आर 3 degrees of comparison, students. In your previous classes also you have done this topic, so you are very much aware about degrees of comparison. First is the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. Yes, the positive degree of an adjective is the simplest form of the adjective. जो positive degree होती है वो simplest form होती है किसी भी adjective की. Yes, like a tall building, a tasty dish, a useful idea. So these are the example of positive degree. The comparative degree is used when we compare two things. Yes, students, this is very important point. When we compare two things, then we use comparative degree. We add er to most adjectives to form their comparative degree. Like a taller building, a tastier dish, a cleverer idea. Some adjectives that have 2 or more syllables form their comparative degree differently. जहाँ पर कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स ऐसे होते हैं दैट हैव 2 और मोर सिलेबल्स, जिनके कि 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा सिलेबल होते हैं, तो वहाँ पे हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री जो है वो अलग तरीके से फॉर्म करते हैं. लाइक अ मोर यूजफुल मशीन, अ मोर ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज़ द हाइएस्ट डिग्री ऑफ क्वालिटी. यस, जब आपको हाइएस्ट डिग्री शो करनी है क्वालिटी की, देन यू यूज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. इट इज़ यूज टू कंपेयर मोर देन 2 थिंग्स. 2 से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को कंपेयर जब आपको करना हो, देन यू यूज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. इट इज़ फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग EST टू द एडजेक्टिव. यहाँ पे आप EST वर्ड जोड़ के एडजेक्टिव को फॉर्म करते हैं सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में. यस स्टूडेंट्स, दीज वर योर डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन. आई होप degrees of comparison are clear to you all. Students, these are the example of superlative degree: the tallest building, the tastiest dish, the cleverest idea. You can see here that EST word is added here to make it a superlative degree. Adjectives that form their comparative degree with more take most in the superlative degree. This is the important point you have to keep in mind, that when you are making comparative degree, then you use the word more, and when you are using superlative degree, then you use the word most. Like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. When you have to make a superlative degree, then you will use most beautiful. Yes, the most useful machine, the most beautiful place. Some adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in an irregular way. कुछ आपने ऐसी डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन देखी होंगी जो कि एक इरेगुलर तरीके से फॉर्म होती हैं. लाइक बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट, फार, फर्दर, फर्देस्ट, लेट, लेटर, लेट, लास्ट, little, less, least, up, upper, uppermost, much, many, more, most. These are the examples of such type of degree of comparisons. Students, now we are moving further towards our assignment number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of the adjective in the brackets. This is the dash advice I could give you. Students, here you can see that the word the is here. Whenever you find this word, ultimately you have to use your superlative degree. Like here good word is here, so you will use superlative degree of good. Good, better, best. So student, this is the best advice I could give you. द के साथ आप हमेशा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री फॉर्म करेंगे. माई मदर इज वेयरिंग अ वेरी डैश साड़ी. वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी, बिकॉज देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन. दैट्स वाई यू आर यूजिंग हेयर फर्स्ट डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन, that is positive degree. Mango is my dash fruit, favorite fruit. The dash of the two girls is very kind. Young आपको दिया हुआ है ब्रैकेट में. The younger of the two girls, because यहाँ पे two girls की बात की गई है, it means comparison is between two. That's why you are using here comparative degree. Younger. This is the dash car in the market. Here again you can see the word the here, so you will use superlative degree. Most expensive. Today is the dash day of the year. Coldest day. Again the word is here, that's why you are using here superlative degree. Coldest day. The sofa is dash than the armchair. Here student, you can see the word then. Whenever you find this word, it means comparison is here between two things, and you will use here comparative degree. So comfortable means you write here more comfortable. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable, but you have to use here comparative degree. That's why you will write here more comfortable. Diamonds are dash than gold. Costlier. You will use comparative degree here, that's why you will write here costlier. I like summers dash than winters. Better than winters. Varsha is a dash singer. Here students, you can see there is no comparison between two or more things. That's why you will write here simple positive degree, that is good. Varsha is a good singer. So students, I hope the topic of adjective and degrees is clear to you all. If you have still any problem, you can ask in online session. Thank you.